Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to add a Discover gift card to your digital wallet. Whether you're using Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, or another app, this step-by-step guide will get you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, why bother adding your gift card to a wallet? It's all about convenience. You can make payments faster, keep track of your balance easily, and even set up notifications for when you're low on funds. But before we start, make sure you have your Discover gift card handy, along with its 16-digit number, expiration date, and any security code on the back. Step 1. Open your digital wallet app. If you're on an iPhone, that's Apple Wallet. For Android users, fire up Google Wallet. Once it's open, look for the Add or Plus button, usually in the top right corner. Next, select the option to add a card. You might see choices like debit or credit card, or specifically, gift card. Choose the one that fits. Discover gift cards often get treated like debit cards. Now, enter the details. Type in that 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV if prompted. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Some apps might ask you to verify your identity or take a photo of the card for security. Once you've entered the info, hit Add or Save. Your wallet app will process it quickly. Most of the time, it's instant. If everything goes smoothly, your Discover gift card will appear in your wallet, ready to use for online shopping or in-store taps. But hey, what if you run into issues? Common problems include invalid card details or app glitches. In that case, double-check your info or contact Discover customer support. And remember, not all gift cards work with every wallet, so confirm compatibility first. There you have it. That's how you add a Discover gift card to your wallet. It's a game changer for managing your finances on the go. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.